Excuse me, what are international relations? If you don't answer me, I will eat you.
International relations is a field of political science concerned mainly with explaining political outcomes in international security affairs and international political economy.
Wikipedia defines it as the study of relationships between countries, including the roles of states, intergovernmental organizations and international non-governmental organizations.
That's another way of putting it. It is important to note that the objective of international relations is to preserve peace in the world through diplomacy.
Good. Now tell me the main international relations theories.
The main international relations theories are realism, neorealism, liberalism, neoliberalism and constructivism.
Perfect, you are smart. I won't eat you, I only eat dumb people.